Alright, just Keenan here. Welcome to Just Felt Like Cooking. About to hook up some breakfast. About to get together these famous breakfast tacos. Of course, she loves them, as you can see, my baby. I'm gonna let y'all know what I put in them. Real simple, real easy. Just something I whooped up. Check it. Check it. This is what I'm putting in my tacos. Got some eggs, got some shredded cheese, got some potatoes, some red onion, got my favorite style of crema, El Salvador style. Then I got some avocado salsa right here. That stuff is hot, so I cut the two to kill the heat. It is really hot. I like the combination of the two different sausages, salt, sweet, savory. It's real good. So we're gonna get it going. So I'm about to get these potatoes started. I got some canola oil heating up right here, and it's a little hot, so we're gonna be careful when we add these potatoes. Add a little bit at a time, so you don't have any kind of splatter, any kind of accidents. You know, get that oil temp down, then you go ahead and add the rest of your mix. Don't just go in there throwing them all in there in the hot oil. Potatoes still got moisture, so that could cause some problems. So we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of garlic salt. A little bit of onion powder. That's smelling good already, boy. A little bit of parsley. Potatoes is dense, they could take the flavor. Some black pepper. Get everything coated, everything mixed up. Boy, that is smelling good. So you want to get everything in an even layer, right? They all even layer. Look at that. Nice seasoned potatoes, real quick. We didn't add any salt because we use garlic salt. So that's important. You don't want to use a seasoning with salt and then add salt. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover these bad boys and I'm gonna let them do their thing. Alright, so I already killed the heat because these bad boys is done. We got them done real quick. Check that out. Nice fork tender potatoes. Good home cooked breakfast potatoes. You know, usually you do these in a cast iron skillet. Maybe I might show how that's done. But these is ready. These is taco ready. So we're gonna get on to the next step to these breakfast tacos. Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all how I get my quesadillas going. Quick and easy. I'm cooking. Throw a little butter on this tortilla. Just a little bit. Drop that bad boy. Sprinkle. Sprinkle. We're gonna sprinkle a little cheese. And remember, we're making tacos, so we're gonna keep this in the taco shape. So while that's going, I'm gonna be getting my other tortilla ready. And flip. So once we fill these with the ingredients, we're going to throw them in here and toast them up again to get everything warmed up together. But that's just a quick little way how I do my quesadillas when I'm knocking out these breakfast tacos. I'm going to go ahead and kill a few more out, and then we're going to put everything together. Alright, so I'm done with these quesadillas. Quick tip is you want to open them right when you take them out, let the cheese settle, because if you leave them closed, the cheese is going to make the tortilla stick together, and when you try to open it, it's going to rip. So now I'm going to get to these sausages, and what we did to cook them a little faster is we parboiled them. You get a lot of that fat out. So we're going to brown these up and get to going with these tacos. Here's a quick tip. When you use some butter in the pan, you're about to do some eggs. What's happening right here is I'm letting the water evaporate out the butter to concentrate the butter flavor. So this is just something that I use, that I picked up. You know, maybe it can help you out. Okay, when the butter gets foamy like that, you're ready to go. So let's get these eggs going. A little seasoning. Like I say, I season my eggs. I don't listen to those on TV. A little pepper. Eggs always need some pepper. See that butter? Nice and foamy. Nice and concentrated. Nice and clarified. And we got enough butter in there so when you pour your eggs in there, you want a border of butter around it so you know they're not going to stick. You see that border? Now you know they're not going to stick. So turn that fire down a little bit. Get to scrambling up these eggs. Get these tacos going. Real quick and easy. No stickage. However many eggs you put in there, that's how many eggs you want to come out. I'm going to finish these eggs and we're going to get to these tacos. So here we go. Let's get these tacos together. We're going to throw a little potato in there. A little egg. Couple sausages, little sausage nugs. You know, you want sausage in every bite. So I'm gonna fold this bad boy up. And I'm gonna warm it back up in the skillet. So now we're going to top it with the little crema. This is that El Salvador style crema mixed with the avocado salsa. A little bit in there. Sprinkle with a little red onion. That's winning. Alright. Here we go. Keenan's breakfast tacos. Oh yeah. The guacamole sauce got some lime in it, so you got that acidity, but the heat is cut with the crema. The potatoes is cooked perfect. The sausage, parboil your sausage before you fry them. It kills a lot of the fat, speeds up the cooking time, and increase the savoriness of the sausage. Everything's on point. Once again, this is your boy Keenan. This felt like cooking breakfast tacos.